Hey, I wanted to share something special with the RSSMasher group, and it leads into something that's going to happen on Friday. So if you haven't signed up for the webinar, I'll leave the link in the first comment below. It's something new that we're launching in beta phase. But before that happens, we have worked really hard on creating a universal news rewriter that does a lot of different things, but it all starts with news. So I want to show you what it does, and we're going to be incorporating this into RSSMasher probably in the next 60 days. But I want to give this out for free for anybody that wants to use it. It's part of the Masher group, and it's inside of mashertools.com, and it's the second one down. So we have a bunch of tools. You can play around with all these. I would say by the end of March, we're going to give free samples, free trials with them, but you'll need Masher credits, and it'll be very affordable to run each of these little website prompts here, okay? Very powerful prompts, and they do a lot of stuff for you. So we have to pay our light bills. But right now it's free. I want you to try it, use it, give us feedback here in this Facebook group. Let us know what you like about the Universal News Rewriter. So you just simply log in. You go to mashertools.com, log into the newswriter, and then you're going to be signing in right here. And in fact, I've already got signed in, but here's what it looks like. A little bit about it, and you'll just sign in right here. And if you used any of our Masher tools, it's the same sign-in process. Okay, we're ready to go. Let me make it a little bit more readable here. Okay, hopefully you can read that. It's not too small. Now, once you're in here, you're going to click Open Rewriter. Now, you can paste the URL or you can paste the text. What I've found is that pasting the URL, it works about 60 to 70% of the time because of all the new browsers they cut out the bot crawling. So we're going to have some special things working inside of RSSMasher to help it crawl the bots and get past the firewalls. But meanwhile, this is the simplest, is just paste the text in there. Let me make it a little bit bigger here. Okay, that should be readable. Now, I'm going to paste text. Now, you got to start with an article. So I'm starting with, let's lead off with Sydney Sweeney. And I'll pick one of these here. Let's see. It says her success can be intimidating to men as she lays out relationship non-negotiable. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this all the way down. Go all the way down to the bottom, and I'll stop right there. And I'm just going to copy it. Come back over here, and I'll paste it right in this box here. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I want to clean this box up get all this junk in here. So I'm just going to clean it. You don't have to. This is just me. Okay. And where the image is where there's always a caption, and I'll tag in there. And this looks good. And I always take out that stuff. Okay, so I've got it basically cleared up right now. And now here's the fun part, is you can get different writing styles. Do you want it like USA Today? This completely rewrites the article. It goes through about 5 different iterations to get to the final output version. So we're going to rewrite it just everyday reader. But here we got a lot of choices. A narrative storytelling. This is more like a magazine format. The investigative edge, more expose style, TNC. Financial, this is more a Wall Street style. We even have a press release style. So if you want to compare them, I'll make it real easy. Everyday reader, rewrite article. And we're using some of the top AI models right now to rewrite this. Okay. Sydney Sweeney seeks partner who can handle her world. Completely different title than what we have here. Okay. Intimidated Ben, she lays out. Okay. That's probably a good starting article. Now, let's go back and read it. So, actress, she recently shared her thoughts on love, relationship, and what she looks for in a partner. Okay. We got H2 headings in there. And it goes completely through here. Now, what I want to do is I want to compare it to another style. Let's see what the narrative story looks like. I hit rewrite. Now, I want y'all to try this out. Let me know which style you like best, because what my thought is that we're going to actually embed this into RSSMasher, and it will use Masher credits to rewrite your article. But the idea is every news article to be rewritten in a style that you like and that can go into your blogs, because you're going to need this for what we're going to show on Friday. We're completely shifting the way that SEO is done with video, and we'll show you how everything's done. So here we go. Sydney Sweeney navigates stardom, solitude, and the search for a true partner. So this is more of a storytelling style. This is nice. I like this. If you'll notice up here is you can quickly compare them. Everyday reader, narrative, story. And last but not least, I'm going to go make a press release and rewrite. And it will make a press release in the format of a press release. Okay, here it is for immediate release, date, location. This is great. And you can copy this. You can copy it as a markdown, copy it as HTML, even download it as a PDF. Very easy to use, so you can create news articles. Now, just imagine this. If we were able to take this, put it into RSSMasher, and you just choose a style, and you go from feed to rewritten and automated posting of your own styled news articles. And we do credit, if you got in the news article itself, we do credit the original source in the context itself. So try it out, use it. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in this face group, in the comments down below, what you like about it, what you might want to see in it, maybe a different style, maybe even a length setting. You know, how long do you want the articles? At this point in time, you have to put your own images in. Now, when it's in RSSMasher, Wayne does some magic stuff with images. So we may even have an AI image builder built into this. But we want to test the prompt rewrite first. So I really want you to, I encourage you to test it all out. Let us know what you think. And then with enough feedback, we're going to really fine tune this before we put it into RSSMasher. Currently, you can use this prompt in AIMasher and build a bridge between the two of them. We've got training on that. It is available in AIMasher, but it's quite a few extra steps to get there. So my goal is to put a rewriter inside of RSSMasher, and it's going to be this one. So we'll see you on another video.